Hi everyone, I'm Annabelle and I'm here to introduce you to Get Programming with Python in Motion. This is a video course that follows the book Get Programming, Learn to Code with Python. Have you ever wanted to learn programming but don't really know where to start? Well, Python is an easy and intuitive language to learn, and the skills that you gain are transferable to any other language. In this video series, I'll gently introduce you to the basics of programming. You learn how to write interactive programs, how to write programs that make decisions and repeat tasks for you. You learn how to organize and write reusable code. And lastly, you learn how to use code that others have written to do some pretty cool stuff. All the video lessons will build up to you writing a visual application to play a game of tag with a friend. These lessons are through Manning's live video platform. It's an interactive course, meaning that you can watch the videos, have access to transcripts, and follow along with the code, all at your own pace. At the end of most videos, try your hand at a quick exercise and compare your code with mine in a walkthrough of the solution. I look forward to introducing you to the wonderful world of programming. So let's get programming with Python in motion.